Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a simple mutton recipe that anyone can make in a pressure cooker. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious mutton masala. First we are going to marinate our mutton. So I have taken a teaspoon of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, lemon juice of half a lemon, about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything really well. We are going to let this mutton marinate for at least half an hour or so. In the interim we'll get cooking, so in your pressure cooker add enough oil. We're going to add some whole garam masala, so cardamoms, peppercorns, cloves and 1 bay leaf, 1.5 cup of roughly chopped red onions. Fry the onions on a medium to medium high flame until they get nice golden color, and this will take about 15 to 20 minutes. As they get little soft, we'll add a tablespoon of coarse ginger and garlic. Fry it well. Once our onions are fried like this, we'll start adding our masalas. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of store-bought mutton masala, and you can use any store-bought masala, some cumin and coriander powder and some salt. Fry all the masalas well. Half a cup of tomato puree, and I've simply taken 2 medium tomatoes and ground them. So just add those as well. Now we are going to add our marinated mutton, and I have used about 1.5 kg. Now comes the important step, and that is of frying this marinated mutton with our fried masala. So take your time, mix everything well, and we are going to kind of let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes with just a lid on. You'll notice that the mutton kind of starts to release some water and becomes moist. So just give it a quick stir one more time. Now we are going to add 2 cups of water. Again, mix it well. Scrape all the masala that's stuck to the bottom of the pressure cooker. Give it a quick mix. And now we are simply going to let this mutton cook for about 5 to 6 whistles on a medium flame. This will take another 15 to 20 minutes. In the interim, here I am going to mix some garam masala, about a teaspoon, with half a cup of yogurt. Yogurt will add that thick consistency to our mutton. Now I have let the pressure cooker, release all the pressure and had been sitting for about 20 minutes or so. Let's open and check now. Look at that amazing red color to our mutton curry. Let's add our yogurt. After adding the yogurt, we are going to let this mutton curry cook for another 10 minutes or so. So just mix it well and let it kind of simmer for another 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and simply garnish it with some coriander leaves. Enjoy this simple pressure cooker mutton with some chapatis, rotis or even bhakris. It goes extremely well with some jeera rice too. If you've enjoyed today's simple recipe of this mutton curry, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.